Hello there and welcome back to my channel. You are watching Weekly Update Wednesdays episode 18. This week's video is a special one because I'll be telling you all about the Direct Access 1.0 Music Production Workshop as well as announcing the winner of the Direct Access Band Search 2020. First of all, a big thank you to all the patrons and to all the new viewers. Welcome. Do take a moment, head on down there and click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well so that you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. Sign up for my email list, alright? You'll get a lot of free stuff and free goodies. Link will be down in the description below. Do consider signing up to become a patron as well. Head on down to my Patreon page at www.patreon.com/studio2105. Right? Signing up as a patron helps to support the channel, helping us to create more content. But you also get lots of exclusive perks and benefits. For example, you get one-on-one tutorial and mentoring sessions, you get special behind-the-scenes content, and also discount codes that you can use towards any of the services here at Studio 2105. Last week's episode of MixStream featured the band 217, hailing all the way from Sungai Petani, Kedah, and their upcoming single Kembalikan. Right? It was a fun session. Do check out the replay of last week's live stream. The link will be down in the description below. For this week's upcoming mix stream, I'm gonna be really excited to be mixing a brand new track from Kuantan rap rock band Swerved titled Pragmata. Okay, now this is actually the band's second single after their debut single, first one, which was called BTrayAll, which came out late last year in 2019, which I also mixed. You can check out the video for that song on YouTube. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below. So remember to join me and the band this Friday for another episode of MixStream. As usual, 9 p.m. right here on this channel. Let's head on down to the reason for this week's video. There's no Q&A this week. Instead, I'm going to be telling you all about the Direct Access 1.0 Music Production Workshop. So what is the Direct Access Workshop, you might be asking? Brief background. The Direct Access 1.0 Music Production Workshop is now entering its third year. It's going to be a fun-filled, exciting program where you get to experience firsthand how I produce, record, mix and master a song from the ground up, starting from the initial demo right up to the finished mix and mastered product. The workshop is a 6-week program that's happening once a week every Saturday beginning 5th of September all the way until the 10th of October. Now this program consists of a blend, it's a whole mix of hands-on experience, some classroom instruction, Q&A sessions. There's also some assignment work, and all of this culminates in a mixing competition where the winner stands to walk away with some attractive prizes from our supporting partners. The topics that I'm going to be covering include, but it's not limited to, right? This is just a brief outline: microphone basics, an introduction to digital audio, MIDI, music hardware, recording techniques for drums, for bass, for acoustic and electric guitar, vocals, post-production techniques that include editing, drum resampling, vocal pitch correction, and what sort of a direct access workshop would be complete without a live mixing demonstration. Besides all that workshop content, there are also a couple of bonus perks and benefits. Number one, a 12-month free VIP Patreon membership and access to the MixStream Academy and community. Participants will also enjoy special pricing offers on products from our supporting partners, right? More information on these to come as well. For more info on how to register and how to sign up for the Direct Access Music Production Workshop, head on down to the official Direct Access Instagram or visit the official Facebook event page. Links are all going to be down in the description below. So places are extremely limited, so hurry up and sign up right now, today, okay? And now the moment that everyone's been waiting for, announcing the winner of the Direct Access Band Search. Okay, right. Before I announce the winner, let me just give you a little bit of a background, okay? One of the highlights of the program is that every year, I feature a brand new, usually an up-and-coming local band, right? Which I select through the Direct Access Band Search event, okay? So the winning band will have their song produced, recorded, mixed, and mastered for free as part of this workshop. Two bands that have previously graduated from Direct Access 1.0 are Joy 92 with their song Pedoman. Oh, incidentally, Pedoman was just recently selected to feature on an upcoming TV drama. So, a big congratulations to Joy 92. In 2019, the band that was selected was Roselithe, and their very, very haunting track, the single is titled Ocean's Lullaby. I'm gonna leave the links to these two bands and the videos down in the description below, okay? So check them out. For this year's program, I'm very proud to announce that the winner of the Direct Access Band Search 2020 is Violet Remains and their song titled In Vain. Now, I had actually previously worked with this band, right? Having mixed their very first single, Chasing Ghosts, okay? You can check out the video to their song, right? I'll leave the link down in the description below. So they sent in their demo, and out of the over 50 submissions from various local bands, right? Theirs really grabbed my attention and stood out as the best. So if you want to watch the entire production process of their song, sign up for the Direct Access 1.0 music production workshop today, okay? A special shout out and a big thank you to all the bands and the singers and the songwriters who submitted their demos, okay? There were definitely some great sounding demos and some excellent songs in there, but in the end, there can only be one winner, okay? A big shout out, big thank you to all of you guys who took part and participated in the Direct Access Music Band Search, okay? I will be dropping you an email, alright, to let you know real soon. Last but not least, as you and I know, COVID-19 has really just totally disrupted the music industry and the global economy as a whole. And to be honest, I wasn't even sure that Direct Access Music Production Workshop would be happening this year, and it would not have been possible without the support from various people and various organizations. So a big thank you is gonna go out, right, to the Cultural Economy Development Agency, Chandana, who are the strategic partners for this program. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Big A Productions, right? Anthony is a dear friend of mine, and who also mixes FOH and is our touring mix guy, right, for me and my band Pop Shove It. Big A Productions is our venue for the workshop program. And another big thank you as well to Colin Chin, who's my business manager, who's helping me with all the administration and marketing activities, okay? So without these guys, without Chandana, without Big A Productions, and also a big thank you to Colin, right? This workshop would definitely not have been possible. So I am super excited, okay, and I really can't wait for the workshop to start. If you are excited and you want to sign up, you want to take part in the Direct Access 1.0 music production workshop, remember, head on down to our Instagram page or our Facebook event page. The links are down in the description below, okay? Sign up and register. Spaces are extremely limited, so hurry up and sign up today, okay? Thank you so much again for watching, okay? If you got any questions, if you have any queries regarding the workshop, or maybe you just have a general question that you want to ask, please leave them down below in the comments, okay? I really love to hear from you. Do hit me up as well on my social media. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, and of course not forgetting here on this YouTube channel as well. If you found this video informative and you found this useful, please do leave a like. Do share this with your friends, especially those of you, your friends out there who you may know who are sort of interested in this sort of a topic regarding to music production, recording, mixing, etc. Okay, do share them with your friends. I would really appreciate this. Don't forget, alright, before you finish watching this video, head on down, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. Remember also, do sign up and consider becoming a patron at www.patreon.com/studio2105. I would really appreciate the support. Last but not least, before I say goodbye, remember to stay safe, stay healthy and stay happy. Remember to wash your hands, take care of your health, take care of your personal hygiene, and remember to practice your social distancing, okay? Catch you this week, alright? Friday, 9 p.m. for MixStream. And I hope to see you again in another video real soon. Take care. Bye.